Hello everyone, Namaste, and I hope you are doing good. Welcome to the channel, and today's video is about your complete body warm up, its stretching and flexibility. तो कि वार्म अप कितना ज़रूरी है। मैंने कुछ एक क्लासेस खुद अटेंड की हैं जिसमें वी जस्ट डायरेक्टली जंप टू सन सैल्यूटेशन एंड इट कैन गिव यू स्ट्रेन एंड मसल पेन। बट अगर आप ये सेट ऑफ एक्सरसाइजेस करते हो तो आपकी बॉडी धीरे धीरे पहले प्रिपेयर होगी और उसके बाद यू कैन परफॉर्म इंटरमीडिएट और एडवांस आसन्स. So if you don't have time and you just want to spend 30 to 40 minutes for your regular practice, just practice these set of exercises and asanas, and it will provide the complete flexibility to your spine. It will open up the blockages and your hip joints, everything. तो मैंने अपनी खुद की जितनी भी योगा की प्रैक्टिस है उसमें मोस्ट ऑफ द डेज मैंने स्टार्टिंग के 30 मिनट इसी सेट ऑफ एक्सरसाइज को किया है and it really helped me. So yeah, won't waste time, get your mat and let's get started. First one would be jumping jacks. It will work on your cardio. As a beginner you can start with 40 to 50 rounds, but gradually try to increase the number of counts. It will create complete circulation in your body. The next one is wrist joint rotation. First in one direction and then in other direction. It will prepare your hands and your wrist for the further exercises. Now hand clenching. Use pressure to open up your hands completely and then close them strongly. It will work on the veins of your hands and arms. The next one is neck movements. It will make your neck more healthy and protect you from cervical and shoulder pain. Coming forward, you need to exhale, and while coming backward, you need to inhale. Now side to side neck tilt. Don't pressure too much. As neck is more delicate, you need to go very slow. Now side to side movement of your neck. Inhale in center and exhale while you are rotating your head to side. Now neck rotation. Upward movement you need to inhale. Downward movement you can exhale. 3 rounds each side of rotation. The next one is waist rotation. Inhale while coming to center, exhale while you are twisting your waist. In the final position, exhale out, retain your breath outside. Keep your breath outside, and while coming back, inhale. This is a good practice for your healthy spine and very basic of twisting your back. Maximum of 10 to 15 rounds of waist rotation. Next one is Tiryaka Tadasana. In this, inhale in the middle position and exhale while bending your body to the side. Movement to both sides will make one round, so practice at least 5 to 10 rounds. Do not bend forward or backward or twist your trunk. Hold your position for a few seconds in the final position and then slowly come back to the center. Next practice is burpees, but instead of normal push-ups, we are inducing Hanuman push-ups in it. Hanuman push-ups makes your spine more supple, so it's healthy for your spine. And if you feel your back is not ready to perform these Hanuman push-ups, do the normal push-ups. but gradually change it to Hanuman push-up to make your spine more healthy. Inhale while you are bending your back. After completion of burpees, come to this plank position and then directly start Hanuman push-ups. It will increase the strength of your arms, your hands. It will also work on your cardio. Now rest in Vajrasana. Feel the sensation in your body. And now repeat this burpees practice again as a second round. Okay, now practice one round of Surya Namaskar. We will start with the right side. Inhale and come to raised arm pose. Exhale and move to hand to foot pose, Padahastasana. Stay here for few seconds. Breathe should be even and rhythmic. Inhale while stretching the right leg back and come to Ashwasanchalanasana. In this final position, back should be arched and hips should be pressed down. You will feel the stretch in your hips and your lower back. While you are coming up in a lunge position, you need to inhale, and when you are going down, you need to exhale. Perform these lunges back and forth. 5 rounds. Exhale while taking the left leg back and come to mountain pose. Lower the head between the arms so that back and legs form two sides of the triangle. The legs and arms straighten in the final position. Bring the head and shoulder toward the knees. Exhale and come to Ashtanga Namaskar pose. Now inhale and raise the torso and come to Cobra pose. Thighs and hips remain on the floor and arms support the trunk. From here, exhale and come back to mountain pose again. Stay here for few seconds. Breathe should be even and in a rhythm. Now bring the right leg forward and come to Ashwasanchalanasana again. And again perform lunges back and forth. Inhale in the raised position. Exhale while moving body forward. Your back should be as straight as possible. Now from here, come to hand to foot pose. Exhale while performing this movement. Stay here for few seconds. Breathe normal and even. Now inhale and come to raised arm pose. This is half round of sun salutation. Now we will start with the other half. For the second half round, steps would be same, but this time you will move your left leg. So inhale and come into raised arm pose. Feel the stretch of your back. Now exhale while bending forward and come to hand to foot pose. Your backward bending should be from your hips and not from your back. Now inhale and stretch your left leg back and come to Ashwasanchalanasana. Start with lunges. Inhale while coming up, exhale while going down. Keep your spine as straight as possible and stretch would be there in your hips and your lower back. Now exhale and take your right leg back and come to mountain pose. The legs and arms straighten in the final position. Bring the head and shoulder toward the knees. Breathe here in a rhythmic manner. Now exhale and come to Ashtang Namaskar. Now with inhale, come to Bhujangasana. Raise the torso and arc your back. Thighs and hips will remain on the floor and arm will support the trunk. Now from here exhale and come back to Parvatasana, mountain pose. Stay here for few seconds. Bring your trunk and your shoulder close to your heels. Try to straighten up your back. Now inhale and bring your left leg forward in Ashwasanchalanasana. Again perform lunges to open up your hips and groin joint. Now with exhale, come to hand to foot pose. Bring your forehead as close to knees as possible, but do not strain. You don't want injury, so go very slow. Now with inhale, come back to raised arm pose. Now come back to Namaskar Mudra. With this round, we have completed one round of sun salutation. To end your practice, you can relax down your body by coming into Shavasana. Now pay attention to your breath, the flow of your breath. Once your breath come to normal, start with inhale and exhale deeply. Slow and deep practice of inhale and exhale. There should be movement on your abdomen. Perform 7 to 10 rounds of deep breathing in Shavasana. Move your legs or hands slowly. Turn toward right side and by pressing your left hand on the floor, sit up. If you feel this is easy and you want to practice more, then practice one more round of sun salutation. सूर्य नमस्कार का एक और राउंड आप कीजिए और जो फाइनल आसन में रुकने का ड्यूरेशन है उसको थोड़ा और बढ़ाओ. इट विल इंक्रीज योर एंड्योरेंस एंड स्ट्रेंथ. एंड यस, पे अटेंशन टू योर ब्रीथ. वो स्लो, रिदमिक और डीप होना चाहिए. Well, this is just a practice of your starting up your workout, and if you are a beginner, ये आपको आगे की योगा प्रैक्टिस के लिए आपको प्रिपेयर करेगा. So if you like the video, give it a thumb, and if you have any queries regarding this session or in general regarding yoga, तो आप comments में लिखिए. I'll provide the answer, and yeah, I'll bring more videos on your health, yoga and well-being. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and have a good day. Namaste.